Ever stare at a blank page and feel completely stuck? You want to write something creative, but have no idea where to start. Well, here's the thing. The best stories often come from the simplest ideas. Today, I'm giving you a writing prompt that practically writes itself. A bat uses echolocation to see in the dark. Write about a bat who helps lost animals find their way at night. Who do they help? See how that immediately sparks ideas. Now, let me set you up for success. First, don't worry about making it perfect. Just focus on getting the story out of your head and onto paper. Your first draft is supposed to be messy. Next, start with the simplest question. Who is your bat? Give them a name and one special trait. Maybe they're shy, maybe they're brave, maybe they love to sing. Finally, think of just one lost animal to help. A baby rabbit, a confused owl, even a lost butterfly. Keep it simple and let your imagination fill in the details. Here's what's amazing. Students who use prompts like this write 50% more than when they start with blank pages. The structure gives your creativity something to grab onto. So here's your challenge. Pause this video right now. Grab any piece of paper or open a document. Set a timer for 15 minutes and just start writing about your helpful bat. Don't think, just write. Your story is waiting for you.